Today we're gonna cook tomato and scrambled egg. The ingredients we need are 3 tomatoes. I prefer tomato on the vine because they tend to be juicier. 2 medium-sized eggs. 1 chopping board. 1 cutting knife. 1 small bowl and a pair of chopsticks. And some oil. I also need a pinch of salt. And a frying pan or wok of your choice. To prepare the ingredients, wash the tomatoes. Then cut the tomatoes into several pieces. Personally, I prefer the pieces to be smaller so that it's easier for you to get the juice out. Then crack open the eggs into the small bowl. And scramble the eggs as you usually do for scrambled eggs. Now put the pan or wok on the hob and heat up the pan or wok. And now put the tomato pieces into the wok. Wait till the tomato gets soft and the juice of the tomato comes out. Finally, put the eggs back into the wok. And finally, you can add still a small pinch of salt. And tomato and scrambled eggs is done.